Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to delete your Shopify store. So let's get started. You can easily deactivate or delete your Shopify store in a few simple steps. However, before deactivating or deleting, keep in mind that you will no longer have access to your Shopify admin once your store is closed. Step number one, first log into your Shopify account and enter your Shopify admin page. Now go to settings option in the bottom left corner and select the plan section. You can also search the delete keyword in the search bar above the window and click on plan details directly. Step 2, there appears a window offering you the pause and build option. If you're unsure about deactivating your store and want to take a break instead, you can also switch to the pause and build plan to start a new store. Step 3, once you have decided that you want to deactivate your store, select the deactivate store option. Next, it will ask you to choose a reason for your deactivation. Now enter your password to confirm and click on deactivate now. And that's all. You just need to follow these simple steps in order to delete your Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.